Hey there, Kingdom Cash fam! Today we're talking about one of the most lucrative yet underrated investment opportunities out there, farmland. Now I know what you're thinking. Farmland? Isn't that just for a bunch of old-school farmers in overalls? Wrong. Farmland is a secret gold mine that the mainstream has been sleeping on, and I'm here to show you exactly how to capitalize on it. In this video, I'm going to share 10 underground strategies that the big-time investors don't want you to know about. These methods have the potential to generate truly life-changing wealth, and the best part is, they're accessible to anyone with the right knowledge and drive. So, whether you're an entrepreneur looking to diversify your portfolio, a side hustler searching for your next big break, or just someone who wants to get in on the ground floor of an emerging market, listen up. This is the kind of information that could transform your financial future. Are you ready to dive in? Let's go! 1. Small-scale regenerative farming. Potential profit, $50,000 to $250,000 per year. One of the biggest trends in the agricultural world right now is the rise of regenerative farming. This sustainable approach to land management not only produces healthier, more nutrient-dense crops, but it also has a profound impact on the environment. Here's the kicker. The demand for regeneratively grown foods is skyrocketing, and consumers are willing to pay a premium for it. By implementing cutting-edge regenerative techniques on even a small plot of land, you can tap into this lucrative market and reap the rewards. The best part? You don't need acres and acres of land to get started. Even a few hectares can be transformed into a thriving, high-profit, regenerative farm. With the right training and resources, you could be pulling in $50,000 to $250,000 per year, all while doing your part to heal the planet. 2. Vertical farming in urban areas. Potential profit, $100,000 to $500,000 per year. As the world becomes more urbanized, the demand for locally grown, sustainable produce is higher than ever. That's where vertical farming comes in. A cutting-edge technology that allows you to grow crops in stacked indoor systems without the need for traditional farmland. By setting up a vertical farming operation in an urban area, you can tap into a massive, untapped market. Think about it, city dwellers are constantly searching for fresh, nutritious foods, and they're willing to pay a premium for it. Plus, with the ability to grow year-round, you can easily outcompete traditional farms. The best part? Vertical farming is incredibly scalable, so you can start small and gradually expand your operation. With the right setup, you could be pulling in anywhere from $100,000 to $500,000 per year, all while making a positive impact on your local community. 3. Hemp cultivation. Potential profit $75,000 to $250,000 per acre. Hemp is having a moment, and savvy investors are taking notice. This versatile crop can be used for everything from textiles to construction materials to CBD oil, and the demand is only growing. The best part? Hemp is incredibly easy to grow, and it requires far less water and land than traditional crops. Plus, with the recent legalization of hemp in many parts of the world, the market is wide open for new players. By getting in on the ground floor of the hemp industry, you could be looking at a potential profit of $75,000 to $250,000 per acre, depending on the specific market you target. And the best part? Hemp is a renewable resource, so you can harvest it year after year, creating a steady stream of passive income. 4. Agritourism. Potential profit, $50,000 to $500,000 per year. In today's experience-driven world, people are craving unique, authentic interactions with the natural world. That's where agritourism comes in. The practice of inviting visitors to your farm or agricultural operation for educational, recreational, or simply enjoyable experiences. Think about it. You've got this beautiful, productive land just waiting to be shared with the world. By offering things like farm tours, you-pick experiences, farm-to-table dinners, and even overnight stays, you can tap into a massive, untapped market. The beauty of agritourism is that it's highly scalable, and it can be tailored to your specific operation. Whether you've got a small, sustainable farm, or a large-scale agricultural empire, there are endless opportunities to monetize your land and create a steady stream of passive income. Depending on the size and scope of your agritourism operation, you could be looking at profits ranging from $50,000 to $500,000 per year. 5. Carbon farming. Potential profit, $10,000 to $100,000 per year. In the age of climate change, carbon sequestration is becoming a hot-button issue, and savvy investors are taking notice. Enter carbon farming, the practice of using regenerative agricultural techniques to capture and store atmospheric carbon in the soil. Here's the thing. Governments and corporations are increasingly willing to pay farmers and landowners to implement carbon sequestering practices on their land. By adopting techniques like no-till farming, cover cropping, and managed grazing, you can generate valuable carbon credits that can be sold on the open market. The best part? Carbon farming is relatively low cost and low maintenance, and it can be easily integrated into your existing agricultural operations. Depending on the size of your land and the specific practices you implement, you could be looking at an extra $10,000 to $100,000 per year in passive income. 6. Aquaponics. Potential profit, $50,000 to $300,000 per year. If you're looking to get creative with your farmland, aquaponics is a game-changing strategy that you need to know about. Aquaponics is a closed-loop system that combines aquaculture, which is fish farming, and hydroponics, which is soil-less plant growth, to create a sustainable, high-yield growing environment. The beauty of aquaponics is that it's incredibly efficient, requiring far less land, water, and resources than traditional farming. Plus, you can grow a diverse array of crops and raise fish simultaneously, creating a truly passive income stream. By setting up an aquaponics operation on your farmland, you could be looking at profits ranging from $50,000 to $300,000 per year, depending on the scale of your system and the specific crops and fish you choose to cultivate. It's a truly unique and lucrative way to maximize the potential of your land. 7. Microgreens and specialty crops. Potential profit $75,000 to $250,000 per acre. In the world of agriculture, one-size-fits-all just doesn't cut it anymore. Consumers are craving unique, specialized crops that offer exceptional flavor, nutrition, and visual appeal. That's where microgreens and specialty crops come in. By dedicating a portion of your farmland to the cultivation of these high-value crops, you can tap into a rapidly growing market and command premium prices. Think about it. Microgreens like arugula, kale, and basil are in high demand among chefs, health-conscious consumers, and even large-scale food producers. The best part? Microgreens and specialty crops require relatively little land and can be grown year-round, making them a highly scalable and profitable option. Depending on the specific crops you choose and the size of your operation, you could be looking at a potential profit of $75,000 to $250,000 per acre. 8. Agrihood Development. Potential profit, $100,000 to $1 million per year. As the world becomes more urbanized, people are craving a deeper connection to the natural world. Enter agrihoods, master-planned communities that seamlessly integrate residential living with working farms, community gardens, and other agricultural amenities. By transforming a portion of your farmland into an agrihood development, you can tap into a massive, untapped market of homebuyers and renters who are willing to pay a premium for a lifestyle that prioritizes sustainability, community, and access to fresh, locally grown foods. The best part? Agrihood development is highly scalable, and it can be tailored to fit a wide range of budgets and preferences. Depending on the size and scope of your project, you could be looking at a potential profit of $100,000 to $1 million per year, all while creating a thriving, eco-friendly community. 9. Agroforestry. Potential profit, $20,000 to $100,000 per acre. In the world of agriculture, diversification is key, and agroforestry is a prime example of how you can maximize the potential of your farmland. Agroforestry is the practice of integrating trees and shrubs into traditional agricultural systems, creating a multifunctional landscape that can generate a variety of products and ecosystem services. By incorporating agroforestry techniques into your farming operations, you can tap into a range of revenue streams, from timber and fruit production to medicinal herb cultivation and carbon sequestration. Plus, the environmental benefits of agroforestry are well documented, making it an increasingly attractive option for eco-conscious investors and landowners. Depending on the specific agroforestry practices you implement and the scale of your operation, you could be looking at a potential profit of $20,000 to $100,000 per acre. It's a truly unique and sustainable way to transform your farmland into a thriving, multifaceted enterprise. 10. Agravoltaics. Potential profit, $50,000 to $200,000 per acre. Last but certainly not least, we have agrovoltaics, the practice of combining solar energy generation with agricultural production on the same piece of land. This cutting-edge technology is transforming the way we think about renewable energy and sustainable farming, and it's a surefire way to maximize the profitability of your farmland. Here's how it works. By installing solar panels on your land, you can generate clean, renewable energy while simultaneously growing crops or raising livestock underneath. The solar panels provide shade and protection for the crops, while the crops help to keep the panels cool, improving their efficiency. The beauty of Agravoltaics is that it's a true win-win scenario. You get to generate passive income from your solar energy production while still maintaining a thriving agricultural operation. Depending on the size and scope of your agrivoltaic system, you could be looking at a potential profit of $50,000 to $200,000 per acre. So, there you have it, my friends. 10 underground strategies for getting rich with farmland. These are the kinds of game-changing ideas that the big-time investors don't want you to know about, but I'm spilling the beans because I want to see you succeed. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.